Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Ford Shelby GT500 Coupe. This one is the 6-speed manual transmission in grabber orange with white stripes and the black interior. We'll start at the rear here. You can see how tidy this car is. The trunk lid here, nice and clean. Trunk itself is nice and big. We have lots of documentation on this car. So we got the Shelby American original window sticker in here, all kinds of research in there on this car. So data, we have the original sales brochure for the Mustangs of that year with the Shelbys. We got a letter from Ford for the Ford GT500 with this VIN and saying that this is the 3606 of a build of 8152 Coupes and 136 of the 282 grabber orange. So very unique car, very rare. We also have the window sticker here that's laminated. The original is again in that pamphlet there, so you can see it's the grabber orange 6-speed manual transmission coupe. We also have the original purchase contract that the original owner purchased it for. So you can see down here that it was $44,865 MSRP, and if you look here, the owner paid just over $60,000 for this car back in 2006. In the trunk we have the shaker sound system, so we got the subwoofers here. We got the GT500 floor mat, carpet mat in the trunk here. It's nice and clean. We'll close this. Let's come up here. You can see it's got the white stripes all the way along. Very clean. It's got the Shelby spoiler. It's got the Shelby script here. We got the GT500 Ford badge here. It looks like the old gas caps of the original Shelbys. Very unique. We got the dual exhaust system. And we'll move to the wheels here. So we got the factory aluminum machine wheels, the SVT center caps, and they are a 285/40 ZR18. And we put brand new Continental tires on this because it had the original tires that were a little bit weather checked. So we wanted to make sure that this car was ready to go. So here's your front wheel here. So we got a 255/45 ZR18 in the front and the same Continental Extreme contact wheels. It's got the black Brembo brake calipers in the front. You can see it's got the larger brakes for the Shelby model year. Okay, let's make our way to the interior. Again, black interior. So you can see the door panel here. Here's your power locks. You got power windows, and you got that shaker sound system there. Take a look at the rear seat. So you can see it's got the beautiful black leather seating. Seats look wonderful, the condition. It's got the white stripes in the seats as well to mimic the hood stripes. Take a look over at the dash here. You can see it's nice and clean, tidy. We have the sticker here. In here we have the owner's manuals. You can see it's got the GT500 SVT books in there. Check out the door jambs, they're nice and clean. SVT skid plate looks awesome. Very sanitary. Check out the floor mats. It's got the GT500 floor mats, carpeted. We got the manual seat here. Let's take a look at the condition. Again, unique Shelby seats. Seats look wonderful. And they got the Cobra embossed back there. Looks awesome. Okay, let's close this door here. Check out that rear spoiler. So that's unique to the Shelby cars. Show you the profile there. And we'll come up here. You can see how beautiful this paint is. It's 5-stage polish by our team. A lot of work went into making it look this great. It looked great when we started, but it looks phenomenal now. We got the white mirrors. And down below here, I want to show you that it's got the stripe down here, which is an option as well. And it says GT500 down there with the Cobra snake there. Coming along here, we got the front spoiler for the unique for the Shelbys. We got the fog lights down there. Unique Shelby grill. You can see it's got the Cobra badge off the center there. And we have underneath the hood here, we have an aluminum hood for the Shelbys. And you got the air extractors there, you can see through it. Hood liner looks great. And then here's your engine itself. So it's the 5.4 liter V8 that's supercharged with a Roots type supercharger. It's hand built by SVT. And we'll just come along here, see how sanitary it is. So there's your supercharger. And then down here on the valve cover, you can see hand built with pride, SVT, Romeo niche line in Michigan. It's a 4-valve Shelby GT500. And then we have the engine builders engraved in there. So a very cool piece. And this is a very all factory car, so no modifications. So that's the way you want it to be, a collectible item. Coming down here, those hood stripes look awesome. And again, this paint is just wonderful. For 2007, I don't think you're gonna find many that are, headlights look great in this condition. This looks like a brand new car. Coming down here, here's your front wheel, look awesome. And here's your rear wheel, great. Then we'll come here to the door panel. So the same as the other side, that looks wonderful there. We got power door locks, power windows, and then your shaker sound system here. Let's take out the dash on this side. Here's your clean door jams. SVT kick plate there. And nice, and let's just check the back seat here. So you can see, nice and clean. Check out the pedals down here, nice aluminum pedals, the Shelby pedals. There's your floor mats. It's got the 6-way power driver's seat with a manual recline, and it's got power lumbar. Let's check out the seat itself. The condition looks great. A little bit of wear here. That's suede there. So that's a factory option there. And then looks great. Okay, let's hop in the car. All right. So we got a key for this car with the fob. So we'll come over here. We got the nice vents here. We got the unique trim piece here for the Shelbys. We got your headlight controls here and your dash dimming lights. It's got manual tilt, so you can see down here it tilts. Over here you got your turn signals and your and on your steering wheel controls we got cruise control settings on this side as well as this side here. Over here you got your windshield wipers. Key goes down here, and let's fire it up. Again, it's got the Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. So let's fire this car up. All right, let's zoom out here so you can see the condition of the wheel. So the wheel is a nice leather wrapped wheel. The condition's wonderful. It's got the nice bump outs here to hold and very comfortable. Coming into the dash here, we got an analog dash. So there's your speedometer there, and then we got your gas gauge and your oil pressure and your oil temperature. All there. And then over here we got your tack on this side, and if you look over here at the bottom we have 21,023 kilometers on this car. So very, very low kilometer car, especially being for a 2007. Just above here we got your map lights here, and you got your rear view mirror with your compass in it, and if you just look above there you see that Mustang in the windshield there. Coming just down below here, we have the events here, and then we got the Shelby badge with Carroll Shelby signature, and then the VIN number of the car with the Shelby GT500. Just below that, we have your 12-volt socket here, and then we got your gauges for your dash, your trip odometer, traction control, hazards, and then that's one for your airbags. Here's your Shaker 1000 sound system. So it's a 6-disc CD changer with MP3, and then your radio controls here, and more radio controls here. Down below here is your fan, your temperature control, and then more temperature control stuff here, your AC, rear defog, and then your circulation here. Coming here, we get your 6-speed manual transmissions. Try to get there we go. Got a reflection in there, so 6-speed, and then we got your e-brake handle here in leather. Then we have your 2 cup holders here, And we got the console here, so let's open that up. So in the console, we got your trunk release, that yellow button down there. We got a 12-volt socket down there as well. And we'll open up the door here. And let's flick on the headlights. Give it a couple revs for you guys. Wow. I just want to show you when I rev it up here. It lights up SVT. That's awesome. All right, let's walk out of the car here. So this car produces 500 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. At the time, this was the most powerful production Mustang available. Now let's check out those lights there. Look how mean this car looks. Edge shines. It looks like a new car. Very collectible car, rare. It's color combination. There's not many of them around. Being a 6-speed manual. Bonus with this car, listen to the exhaust rumble. Wow. So here we have it. This is a 2007 Ford Shelby GT500 Mustang Coupe. 6-speed manual car in grabber orange white stripes. This is here available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.